Hey guys, Arjun Vipuladenim here. This is a new YouTube channel that I'm starting, and I'll be talking about tech tips and other stuff like that. So, today's video is going to be about how to print in Python. So let's get started. To begin coding anything, you first need to download Python. To do this, open a web browser and search for Python install. Then, press enter and click the link that says download Python. Then click download Python 3.11.4 or whatever is the latest version that is showing. If you are using Mac OS, it should already show a message that says download the latest version for Mac. Then open up the download. Now you're going to go through the Python setup. Remember to click add python.exe to path. We're going to use that later. Then click install now. And that's it. You have now successfully installed Python onto your computer. Now what you're going to do is go to the search bar, which is located at the bottom of your screen. If you're on Mac, you can do Command Space. Here, you're going to search idle and press enter. You'll get a page like this, and this is where we're going to be coding. Alright, let's start with the basics. To print in Python, we use the print function, which looks like this. It's quite simple. You just need to put the text you want to print within the parentheses. For example, let's say we want to print hello world. Then all we have to do is write print, which we already have. Then parentheses, quotations, because we're writing a text, and then the statement you want to write. So I want to write hello world, and close quotations, and then close parentheses, because whatever you open, you have to close. Then press enter. And once you do it, you'll see the shell has printed hello world. Pretty easy, right? You can do this with any text you want to write. Just remember, you have to put quotations if you're writing a text. Now what I want to show you guys is how to create variables. Variables are a value that can change, depending on what code you write to change it. To create a variable, you first have to give it a name. Let's say we call it name. We can't just leave it as this, because we have to actually define what the variable is. To define a variable, all you have to do is put an equal sign. Then you have to give the variable its value, or what you want it to store. Let's say we want to write an actual name, like John. Remember, John is a piece of text, so we have to put it in quotes, like this. However, since we are not doing a function, like the print one that we did before, there is no need for parentheses. Now, we have created a variable called name, and it is storing information, which is the text, John. Now, do you remember how to do a print function? Yes? Alright then. Let's say we wanted to print this variable called name. How would you do it? Well, remember, you first need to put print and then the parentheses because we are now writing a function. Let's do that. So we write print because the name of this function is called a print function. Then we put our parentheses. Since we want to print the value of name, and name is a variable and not a piece of text, we do not put quotations. See, if we put quotations and wrote name, close our parentheses and tap and press enter, you would get the word name. But we actually want the value of the variable name. So we have to put print our parentheses, and now we just put the variable name without quotations and close the parentheses. And when you press enter, you'll get the value stored inside of this variable, which is John. Remember how I said you can change the value of a variable? Let me show you how. Right now, the variable name is set to have a value of John. However, what if we wanted to change this value to another name, like Mike? All we have to do is once again write name, because that is the name of our variable, put a equal to sign, because we are setting a new value for this variable, and then put Mike in quotations, because Mike is a piece of text. When we print this by putting our print function and then writing name and press enter, you can see that the value of name has changed from John to Mike. Let's say we wanted to connect two different pieces of text. To do this, we'll put a plus sign between the two texts. Let me show you how. Let's put a print function with two different pieces of text. For example, let's write I like to eat and pizza. In Python, this will work. However, this is not proper syntax, and you should never do it like this. When connecting different pieces of text, we need to put a plus sign in between them, like I said. However, when we print this, you can see that these two pieces of text will be printed without a space between them. See, I like to eat pizza are connected. In order to put this properly, there are two ways. The first way is to put a space in one of these quotations like this. So, when this is printed, it'll print I like to eat pizza with a space between eat and pizza. The second way is to put I like to eat pizza. However, instead of putting a plus sign, you can put a comma. A comma acts like a plus sign. However, when it is combining two pieces, it'll put a space between them. Now, when we press enter, you can see that the two phrases are properly joined. Now, let's try creating a proper sentence with a combination of phrases and variables. To do this, let's create a variable called name and a variable called age. I'll set my variable called name to Arjun. Don't forget to put quotations around this because this is a piece of text. Now I'll set my variable called age to 40. Now, why don't you try to create a sentence that says, Hi, my name is blank, and I am blank years old. By the way, if you want a hint, you will need to use a print statement and multiple commas or plus sign. Okay, let's try doing this. First, we need to write a print statement. So we'll write print and our parentheses. Then we'll need to write, Hi, my name is. However, this is not correct because we are not printing variables that go by the name of hi or my or name or is. We are actually printing words. So we actually need to put these in a quotations. So now it'll print hi my name is as a piece of text. After this, we need to put our variable called name. So we'll say hi my name is Arjun or whatever your name is. Remember, to combine two things in Python, you need to use a comma or a plus sign. To make this easier, I'll use a comma, so I'll automatically put a space for me. So I'll write name, and then I'll insert my comma here. So you can try printing this, and when we do, we'll get, Hi, my name is Arjun. Remember, name is not supposed to be put in quotations, otherwise it would put, Hi, my name is name. We actually want the value of the variable called name. Now, let's try completing the rest of this statement. We already have print, hi, my name is Arjun. Now we have to add, and I am 40 years old. To do this, we have to first write, and I am. So we will put comma, because we are connecting two phrases or two different things. We're going to put our quotations because we're writing a piece of text and put, hi, my name is, name, and I am. And we're going to put another close quotations because whatever we open, we have to close. Then we have to put our age, our variable called age, which is 40. So we're going to type age. Remember, in order to connect two things in Python, we have to put a comma or a plus with a space, but that's longer. And now we have, hi, my name is name, and I am age blank. So this blank has to be years old. So now we're going to add another comma because we are connecting another piece of text. We're going to type years old, period. And now we're going to close our quotations. So now it should print, hi, my name is Arjun, and I am 40 years old, period. And there it is. Congratulations. You have now officially typed your first complete sentence in Python. So, today I showed you how to print in Python, join two pieces of text together, and how to create variables and print them. Alright, that's it for today's video. I'll catch you in the next one where I'll be talking about data types.